Hey, you guys, we moved from Jester Park. We're at this beautiful little county park out just a little bit northwest of Gladbrook, Iowa, where we're headed in to go to Matchstick Marvels. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Well, they got a little movie theater here in Gladbrook. There's only like 820 people here in little town, Iowa. Here is Matchstick Marvels, created by Patrick Acton. Hopefully they're friendly to filming. Okay, here we go.
Patrick Acton wasn't able to get to work. He was working in Eldora.
Wow.
We had a snowstorm.
Check this out. This the lunar module.
The wooden matchsticks and some members made this little church out of 500. That's how this all started. He's currently made 77 different models.
Here we are. Got the camera for the lunar module there. This is all matchsticks. Matchsticks. You can move this stuff. I'm not sure what's moving there.
That isn't going to last long. He built in the video back there that he'll have to go to okay.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. Do you need a little bag? No. Okay. All right.
Terrace Hill. This is the governor's mansion in Iowa. 193,000 matchsticks. He built this in 95 and December of 95 to May of 96.
I can't bend the matchsticks and, you know.
Look at the detail. Come here, there's one of the Apollos.
363 feet.
Here's an Apache helicopter. 200 hours to build 26,000 matchsticks. P-51 Mustang, 15,000 matchsticks. Took 200 hours to build in 1992. He regrets he painted it. The Cuddy Sark. 38,000 matchsticks, over 500 hours to plan and build. April of 95 to January of 96. Look at the woman he carved on the bow, on the very tip of the bow there. Sorry, I can't get real close. All those sails made from matchsticks. This is the USS Sullivan. Some of you may not know, but in 1942, during World War II, 5 brothers from Iowa. These guys, it was the Sullivan brothers. They were on the this is the USS Juneau, and it got torpedoed, and all 5 Iowa brothers, perished. And since then, the military does not allow brothers to serve in the same unit or together. Look at the detail. Now look at this. The United States Capitol. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. See the lights on inside there too? Look at the dome. Unbelievable. This took almost 500,000 matchsticks. 478,000. 10 gallons of carpenter's glue and well over 2,000 hours to construct. It's a 1/65th model. 12 feet in length and 5.5 feet tall. Took him almost 2 years to do this. August of 99 to April of 2001. USS Nimitz. 40,000 matchsticks. 400 hours to build in 1994. F-18s and wow. The Wright Flyer took 10,000 matchsticks.
I can't stand people that are perfection.
1993. 8,000 matchsticks. The Conestoga, 20,000 matchsticks, 1993. This was on the launch pad for like the shuttle. I'll go around to the front here in a second. Huge. Brontosaurus. 10,000 matchsticks, 150 hours to complete in 1991. A Brontosaurus. Yep, the USS, the Challenger. 200,000 matchsticks, 1,000 hours to build in 1997. Yeah, this is the Challenger, the one that blew up in 1986. Just, the detail is incredible. And behind me is Notre Dame in Paris. Remember it burned a couple, 2 or 3 years ago, whenever it was, a few years ago? Look at the detail on this. Just under 300,000 matchsticks, 2,000 hours to complete it, and August of 2010 to April of 2012, almost 2 years again. Look at the detail. Oh yeah, there's the picture of the fire. The back of the U.S. Capitol. Yeah, apparently his first one was 1977, and he did a small church, and by small, there's a picture of it up front, but there's a bunch of people who are there now. By small, it looked like it was like maybe about 2 foot big, or 2 foot long, and maybe 2 foot tall or something like that. And so that's what he got started with, and he wound up giving that to a church, and that's where his hobby started.
About 3,000, about 300,000.
SR-71. And this is the USS Iowa. Built in '98, 137,000 matchsticks. 800 hours to complete. It's not here, but he built this 1970 Dodge Charger in 2018, 720,000 matchsticks. Ripley's, believe it or not, contracted with him, and they bought a bunch of these, like that and that. So if you go to a Ripley's somewhere, you're likely to see one of his creations. Okay, these kids finally left over here. Watch this. The Saturn V rocket. $263,000 matchsticks, 15 gallons of wood glue. That's over 20 feet long. Okay, so what'd you think of that?
Wow, that was really awesome. I thought I was a patient person, but not for that. Wow, the detail was just remarkable. Very impressive.
Yeah. I mean,
definitely worth a stop just to come through here. But there's not much else in this town.
Yeah, if you're anywhere near central Iowa, make a special trip to Gladbrook and see this. Whoa, Jay. I think that's enough for this video. But yeah, anyway, we got so much more to show you guys. I'm gonna end this here because I know I'd like to keep them, 15 minutes give or take. Yeah, we're gonna go check out Union Grove State Park, a couple other interesting things around Gladbrook in the next video. So love you guys. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when we publish, which I try to publish right now every Saturday, and that might be bumped up to two a week now since we're done with the floors. Yeah, the new floor in the Pop Prowler will be in the next video too. Got that done, so now we can just focus on the journey. I feel like I've been working the past 3 months trying to put out videos, but anyway, love you guys. Share this with a like-minded person. Use my Amazon associate link. Appreciate it so much. It doesn't give much, but any little bit helps in this journey. But love you guys. God bless. We'll see you next Saturday.